Hello, Frugal Peanut. As president of the Wisconsin Resellers Association, we voted unanimously to get you this coveted Wisconsin Reseller of the Year award.
Nice.
Display it proudly. Take care of it, because next year we have to give it to someone else.
It's the back road bidder.
Back road bidder here. I forgot to invite my friends who weren't on YouTube. If we're truly going to make this, a Wisconsin resellers thing, I got to invite everyone. So next time, friends like, Eric and Mike and Russ and Kathy and whoever else, next time we plan something like this with our YouTube friends, I'm going to invite all of you, because it was a lot of fun and representing Wisconsin. Anyway, back to the show.
Plug into low prices at Menards.
Oh yeah?
The dueling GoPros.
I got one too.
Yeah. And Chuck, hold the camera up high.
Good to see you again.
Yeah, look at you. You're a lot taller than I expected.
Exactly.
Oh yes.
Hi Steve.
Chuck.
EP.
Hi Chuck, I'm Amy.
Hi Amy.
Hi. I'm not a reseller, but I'm just here for the
And get out.
She's
How you doing, man?
buyer.
buyer.
She's a glass buyer. She's bought several glass pieces from me. Oh God, they called the fire department on us. There's smoke.
Shut us down.
That'd be funny, wouldn't it?
Yeah, got shut down, tailgate in the parking lot of Dig and Save. I don't think I bought it, but later on that afternoon I found one on the side of the road, just randomly right over by my house.
Now you stick your hand in whatever sticks you keep.
No, I have a grabber, but I didn't bring it.
Oh my God, we should be in line. It's not a playground.
Yes it is. My playground. World is.
I'm gonna go right to the hard goods.
Hello, beautiful.
Holy cats, they rearranged it. Junk. Oh yeah. Yeah, we're from Montford over on the west coast of Wisconsin.
Oh, do you guys have a website or something?
We've got a YouTube channel.
What's it called? I'd like to look it up.
Back Road Bidder.
Back Road.
Bidder.
Oh, bidder.
Because I usually go to auctions.
They have a YouTube. We'll have to check it out.
Here, I got a business card.
Oh, cool.
Help you remember.
Yeah, definitely.
There you go. Put that
Fine.
in your camera view.
It's fine. Find of the day. Oh yeah, cart. That's what I need. Cart.
Mom, remember these? Yeah, Baron and I each got one.
Dig, Marcy, dig. This is a place I've never been before. It's where these crazy Wisconsin resellers wanted to go. I don't even know where they are. They probably freaking dumped us. A Grace thrift store. It looks expensive. Hello.
Good on you.
I thought so. Classy.
Oh, great! The mirror gag again?
Right, and that's okay, because I'm trying to get rid of my car.
I don't have a camera on this guy, his outfit. Okay.
No,
So many, and I've been
that's just rude. First meeting of the Wisconsin Resellers Association, and what did we do? We went to Dig and Save,
Yes.
which is a St. Vinny's bin thing,
Yep.
and then we went to a couple thrift stores.
Goodwill and a local thrift store.
Yes, and the wind is going to mess up my audio.
It wasn't windy before.
We got this. You want to explain that?
Yeah, well, I don't know. I mean, clearly it's a witch.
Is that human hair?
What? No. So I thought, I bet somebody would like that.
It's probably a voodoo thing.
I don't know. See, you can hang it up.
I grabbed this at the Dig and Save.
Yeah.
I'll probably just pluck these off of here and just sell the covers.
Okay.
Yeah, I'm not a bin person, and I'm not really a thrift store person. So I'm not good at this.
Well, Backroad Bidder, what kind of a person are you?
Backroad Bidder likes to bid on the back roads at auctions. I found this, I think it might be vintage, but even if it's not, I like it. Miller High Life koozie.
Oh.
I think I saw this there. Are those vintage?
Yeah.
Are they wool?
Oh, I don't know.
With spools of thread?
I just know that I know people that sew a lot, so I try to pick up stuff. Yeah, those are mine.
I'm telling you right now, no nonsense.
Yeah. I pick these up as I see them. They're vintage pantyhose, and then when I have a little lot of them, then I sell them.
There's some twigs and berries.
Well, these are all brand new. Everybody's like just throwing them over on the side. There's tags on them. They're pipberry wreaths.
Oh, wreaths. Okay.
Yeah.
Are they for like putting a candle in the middle?
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah, look at
Neat.
they're brand new.
I think I grabbed this.
You did?
I don't know what it is. Placemat?
No, it's a pillowcase.
It's not open, is
Yeah.
it?
You can shove your pillow in there.
America. Tupperware lid, I got the bottom to it somewhere. And look at my safety vest.
Yeah, why'd you get that?
In case I want to become a crossing guard after I get laid off.
Gosh, it's cold out here.
Then I'm going to sell it.
It's a puzzle for the dogs. I got it for my dog.
He needs to be entertained.
Yes.
I found a rubber chicken.
That's cute.
I think it's just funny.
Yeah.
Probably as a giveaway. Or maybe I'll keep it.
You don't need a rubber chicken.
Angel's hat.
Yep.
Pretty nice. Oh, maybe this will go to next year's winner. I don't know. This cow is...
He looks she looks vintage.
Yeah, I think it is. 19... That might say 67 on the bottom.
Oh, wow. There's a seam down there, too.
She's a sturdy girl. Well put together.
Yeah.
I don't know what these are. There's something in these. Is there like gum in there or something?
No, it's just like a little toy.
This is a mini wallet. It's got the protection in there so people can't like read your cards as they walk by you. And then this is a money clip.
That I picked up because, again, it was...
Simply Vera. Oh,
it's
Vera
Vera Wang.
It feels like quality.
Yeah, it's in really good condition. It's just a little... What do they call us? I don't even know. I'm not a girly girl.
Handbag?
It's not a handbag. It's like this little... A handbag is like a big thing. This is just like a little... Oh, it's a wristlet. Because it's got the...
You're just making that up.
No, I'm not.
wristlet.
It's a wristlet.
Here's a Care Bear. I got this big U.S. flag blanket that Marcy had seen and she skipped on it. But I thought it was cool.
It is cool, but there's pilling on it and I just don't feel like dealing with it. It's nice and heavy. It's like good quality.
Yeah. I didn't find a tag, but if this calculator works, that might get me $10 if I'm lucky. Blow your nose.
No, that's a piece of linen.
Got this for our doggy.
Is that a dog toy?
It is now. And the last thing in here is my fish koozie.
Oh, it's a koozie? I thought this went with that.
No.
I thought that was the toy. Like they were together. This bag was $1.99. But they're vintage. There's some Mickey Mouse in there.
Are they plastic or styrofoam?
Yeah. No, they're plastic.
Dinosaur eggs. You got 3 of those?
Yeah, we got 3 eggs. They were $2.99 a piece, which is a little pricey, but got a lot of them together.
Die cut turkey.
Yep. They're the honeycomb. And that was 69 cents.
This is the CD that taught me to not trust a big butt and a smile.
What? Bell Biv DeVoe?
Yeah.
You don't trust me?
That's my guacamole bowl. That's the bottom. There's a lid and a spoon for it in there somewhere.
Yeah,
I know this will sell. I paid $2 for it.
Yeah.
I don't know what brand it is.
Is it vintage or is it just meant to look vintage?
That I'm not sure. I'm just gonna sell it as is.
It's cute.
There's no chips and cracks and it's pretty, I think. Here's my voodoo stick. Those teeth in there look real. Maybe they're from a ram, because that's a ram's horn.
Yeah.
So maybe the mouth is kind of busted up with this.
I don't know.
It's just a cool stick. Here, you can touch it.
I don't want to touch it. It's weird.
Give me a kiss.
No.
You bought this one.
I did. Was it $1?
Yep.
I just thought it was cute. I think it's from Hobby Lobby. But I thought, I don't know if I'm going to sell it or I might use it for decor out on our deck for summer.
Well, that'd be neat.
Yeah.
Or we could replace your steering wheel with it.
That'd be awesome.
Yeah, you couldn't get your legs under there though. Oh yeah, Marcy found this wool pillow.
You can take this off, but it's wool.
Table Marcy wanted for listing,
pictures.
taking pictures in the sunlight and then near our living room window, and then you can fold it up and put it in the corner.
That was the key. It was the perfect size and it folds up.
Lou bag of donuts. This big old Lodge Dutch oven. It's heavy. Number 10.
Yeah, I don't think it's ever been used.
I don't either. Xbox 360 games we got from Mike and Amber. I think they were $1 a piece. And I don't even know what else we got. Oh, there's your 11 from Stranger Things.
Oh.
That was a prize Marcy one, I think. Or did we buy it?
No, I didn't know it.
And we got stickers from our new friends. Well, Mike's an old friend. But Angie and executive producer at Angie's Oddities. Tommy and Des from Bargain Effect were there. Hung out with them, they're cool. And, oh, that's Treasure Scavengers. That's Amber. Ray. Is this from Stranger Things?
Yeah.
And, oh, this is a wine bottle topper. I think it looks like coral or something.
Best find of the day.
George Michael's Faith.
Yeah. He's got a voice like butter.
Like butter. What is this thing? Strapless?
Sure. Like
seriously.
an evening gown, evening wear. Yeah, it's just to like suck you in.
Tablecloth?
Yeah, thank you. It looks like Christmas, but it's Food Network, and it's in excellent condition. I'm not sure about this now next to that. I think this is supposed to be white, but it looks off-white.
Well, maybe it looks cream. Some more
These-
Simply Vera.
Yeah, well, these are Capri, or not Capri. What are they called?
Capri's for a wee person.
That was yours.
Yeah, American Legion hat.
That gave me flashbacks.
I have actually a couple other of these. Maybe I'll do a big lot.
Yeah, I love this one.
Yeah, I wish it would fit me. Beer happy, everyone.
Yeah. And it's
Is this a swimsuit?
no size 12. It's Dressbarn, which is a cheap brand, but it had pretty colors, and spring is coming, so they're short pants, but they're J. Jill, which is a good brand. Again, spring is coming, summer's coming. Shit, it's stained.
Blood. Someone was murdered in this.
Anyway, these are Coldwater Creek, size 20, which is a good size.
So that was it. I'm gonna put the other people's channels in the description, so please check them out. Good people with great channels. Yeah, it was fun meeting them all.
Yeah, it's great.
To you other Wisconsin resellers, keep working hard. Maybe next year will be your year and you can get the coveted Wisconsin Reseller Association Bessie the Cow Award. I don't know. Oh, I'm gonna be dead later. Bye guys, thank you. You got everything carried in yet?
Just about.
And the last time we were at the bins, I helped the gentleman catch a mouse.
And then here's the lid to it. It's cute.
We'd show you, but we don't want to.
It's too cold.
Too cold. How's it going with your phone?
Sharp.
I don't know either. I'm
I
just
just-
making stuff up.
Well, it's to wear with like a
Maybe we'll name it the Marcy Award since she's the first one to win it. Subscribe to everyone. Be nice. Floss your teeth and wipe where you need to wipe, right?